In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use document tabs in Google Docs. If you want to keep a Google Doc more organized, document tabs can be a really useful feature. They make it easier to separate sections of your work inside a single document, which is especially helpful for notes, reports, planning documents, or any file that contains multiple topics. To get started, open your Google Doc. Once you're inside the document, look for the Document Tabs area. This is where you'll be able to create and manage tabs to organize your content more clearly. If you're working in a longer document, this can save you time and make navigation much easier. Next, click on the plus icon next to Document Tabs. This is the Add button, and selecting it will create a new tab in your document. Think of this as creating a new section or category within the same file. It's a simple way to break up information without having to create multiple separate documents. After adding the tab, look for the three dots next to that new tab and click on them. This opens the tab options menu. This menu is where most of the organization tools are located, and it gives you several ways to customize how your tabs work. Once the menu is open, you'll see a range of available options. You can add a sub-tab if you want to create a nested section under the current tab, which is useful when you need an extra layer of structure. You can also delete the tab if you no longer need it, or duplicate it if you want to copy its setup or content layout. You'll also have the option to rename the tab, which is a good idea if you want each tab to clearly reflect the topic it contains. Another option lets you choose an emoji, which can make tabs easier to identify visually at a glance. In addition, you can copy a link to the tab, which can be helpful when sharing a specific section of the document with someone else. You can choose to show the outline, making it easier to view the structure of the content. You can also move the tab up to change its position, or move it into another tab if you want to group related sections together. That's how to use document tabs in Google Docs. As a quick tip, try naming your tabs clearly from the start so your document stays easy to manage as it grows. With just these built-in options, you can make even large documents feel much more organized and easier to work through.